up, D?
Man, you scared the hell out of me.
Bro, you look like you saw a ghost.
Man, you almost got hacked up.
What are you scared of, bro? What, you never seen a grown man on a tricycle?
Dude.
What?
Wanna play a game?
Hey.
Do you guys work on tricycles?
Yeah.
I need some work done on my tricycle. I outgrew it.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
let's do
in.
it.
There it is, dog. So I think we should try to make it to where we can ride it.
Yeah. It's a little small right now.
Your heart calmed down now?
Yeah, dude, I thought you were gonna freaking kill me. I didn't know.
Okay, so when I was on this thing, my legs were over the handlebars because they wouldn't fit here.
Yeah.
So we have to extend it forward. Probably cut it right here.
Bring it out.
Bring it out maybe what, 13 inches?
Hey, it's Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th.
You gotta do it.
Let's do everything in 13s.
I like it.
13 this way. We gotta raise these up. These handlebars.
Yeah.
Just raise these up 13 inches. So if we sit on it, our hands will be up a little bit, not so low.
Yeah, you like it.
So I think this is gonna be pretty simple, Derek. It's not anything that we're gonna wow the crowd with.
We're having fun.
It's just for fun.
Yeah.
Let's make it to where we can ride it, and then we can, I don't know, tear it up and throw it away. I don't know.
You need some more space for your legs to get cranking.
Man, if your legs ain't cranking, you ain't doing it
You
right.
ain't doing it.
You ain't doing it right.
Maybe bring those out a little bit. Yeah, this was a dumpster fine radio flyer. Original, vintage.
OG radio flyer. It's all metal. The only thing plastic is this little gooseneck cover and the pedals. And I guess the rubber wheels. The handlebars are really rusted. It's all metal. The grips are obviously rubber.
Fender's rusted.
Everything's rusted. Yeah, that fender looks cool.
Wheels are ready to fall off.
All right, we're gonna have to figure something out with the wheels. Nobody likes a wobbly wheel, Derek.
Come on.
Let's get them wheels figured out. Let's start cutting.
Let's do it.
We've already started. It's just conduit. So I think we mark it here, D.
Yeah.
Measure 13 inches, because that's what we're extending it. That's 13. And it's only going to go in here very, very little.
Yeah. So get some good tacks on it.
So yeah, so this is your cut at 13 inches. We should cut this with the Evolution chop saw.
Yeah.
Cool. Here you go.
Not even hot.
It's not hot at all.
No.
Look at that smooth cut. Let's get that smooth cut. Only with Evolution, baby. Maybe that'll be the thing. Get up there, D.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Where do you want your hands?
I'd say you put them up there. What's 13 inches?
If I put that right there, it's at 13.
Let's do it.
Need to lube it up.
She a little squeaky.
That's what scared you earlier, isn't it? Okay, it's pretty solid. You want to get it on the ground and ride it?
And you know what we forgot?
Oh, shit!
We have to cut it.
Shit.
We need that.
Shit fired.
Well,
I gotta cut it, put it on, re-weld it. But you know what would be cool? If we re-welded this on, we move these a little forward. Remember those goosenecks that come up and go forward? Let's do that.
Yeah.
Kind of like this one.
Exactly. Give
But
a
we'll make
little tilt.
this a little bit forward.
I like it.
Because I think if your arms are out a little further, do that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus we gotta cut the damn thing anyway. Damn it.
Now, is that cool enough to put that on there?
It's probably gonna melt. I can't believe I forgot to put that on there. What is...
Yeah, I like that angle.
It's okay, right?
Yeah, I like that angle. It's good.
Little 2-minute fix. You can see we didn't cut the video, we just fixed it real quick. We're having fun.
There it is.
I don't want to give it away. I want to keep it.
We may have to keep this one.
Okay, let's get her on the ground. Careful touching it here because it's hotter than hell. All right, D, here it is. This is what we got. It needs one more thing.
What you thinking?
One more thing.
Boom, there it is.
America.
Radio flyer in America. Come on. Those are our tassels.
Tassels. Had to have tassels.
Ride that thing, boy.
Get it. It's not bad. Let's go. Let's go. Woo.
lot better, man.